Hello guys, today we're going to be making the Black Ops 3 melee weapon, the Path of Sorrows. The Path of Sorrows is a lethal slashing melee weapon, a storied blade with matchless pedigree. We are going to be using this homemade foam slicer, using this wire that will get heated up so much so that it will get red hot and has even boiled through the plastic PVC piping, which will be powered by this power cord. But before we start slicing foam, we're going to need to get the exact measurements of the Path of Sorrows. Before I write all the measurements on this board, let me draw a quick representation of the sword. That was a lot of work. Now let me basically go through everything that I just did. I measured each individual point where a big change happened. Like from here to here, there's none of this deep curve that goes right here. And also I recorded right here the Japanese text that goes along here. Now, as you see, from this point to this point is 30 centimeters, as we recorded on the screen. This to this is 30 centimeters. Not the same thing. And the board we're going to be using, the foam core, is 30 inches long from point to point. Now we can get even more space by going from point to point, which is 36 inches. Now, you might be saying, why not just copy this onto here? We wouldn't get exact measurements and it would come up all funky with a whole bunch of random curves. That doesn't look very nice. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to convert all of these centimeter marks to inches, to the 36 inches we're going to be using. We're probably only going to be using 34 inches to give us an extra inch off of each end, so that we don't come and cut right on the point. I accomplished this by finding the percent of the length of part of the sword, comparing it to the total length in centimeters, and then timesing that percent by the total length in inches, so we'd find the percent of the value in inches. Then I drew out all of the measurements on the piece of paper in inches that was thankfully long enough to fit all of these long measurements on it. Now, as you saw, it took a lot of time to draw. Now all I gotta do is cut this out, paste it onto the foam boards, and cut it out 3 more times, and then we'll be ready to go. So I guess I'll cut right to it. thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you want to see any more of these projects, just like it, and I'll know to make more of these. This is the Path of Sorrows from Black Ops 3. It's a melee weapon, only available in supply drops. And this took roughly 2 days to create. Coloring took like a good 30-40 minutes. So yeah, see you guys next time.